All right, everybody. So we are out here 3 hours into cooking these six big, fat, juicy, long. All right, everybody. So today is Thanksgiving, and to contribute to the society of my family, I will be prepping six absolute beefy racks of baby back ribs. So today we'll be cooking it the 3-2-1 method, where we cook it for 3 hours. After that, we wrap it up for 2 hours, let it cook some more, and then after that, we cook it just straight on the meat for 1 more hour. So we got about 6 hours of cooking. It's a bunch of preparation, but while we're gonna let it sit and just fall in love on the Traeger, let it all just be happy together, all those ingredients, we're actually gonna go supplement this nice cooking session and Thanksgiving preparation with a good old workout of legs. So yeah, right now I'm pretty much just prepping up these ribs, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Man, hey, boy. Just look at all that meat. And I ain't talking about just the ribs. I'm just kidding. But yeah, right now we're just slapping it on the Traeger, and I'm honestly pretty excited because when it comes to like cooking meat, first off, I just love eating meat. I love cooking it straight from my kitchen to my belly. It's pretty much the healthiest way of just intaking food. But this is a preparation for, I guess, my future family's Thanksgiving. This is how it is in my head. So there's nothing pretty much, I guess, gratifying as cooking for your family. And when I'm retired and I'm making absolute passive income, I know one thing I could never put a price tag on is if there's actually no money in the world, if money wasn't an issue and people were just living, one of the actions I would be partaking in is cooking for my family and just feeding bellies. So it's pretty sacred to me. So that's why I'm pretty pumped. And also, I just love cooking meat. So, but yeah, we're going to let these guys sit on the grill, let them dance and fall in love for about 3 hours. And we're going to go hit some legs. All right, everybody. So, happy Thanksgiving. And today we'll be hitting some legs. So, here's the Traeger results right now. So, we're cooking some ribs, tackling about 6 racks. So, it's going to take about 6 hours. So, while we're cooking that, we're going to hit some legs while we're out here. But yeah, we're going to get after it. Hmm. Alrighty guys, happy Thanksgiving and cheers. I currently just finished up a leg workout, really fast leg workout. I'll post it in the next clip. But yeah, I squatted so hard I literally think I am incapable of thinking right now. So sometimes you just gotta squat till you get in. I'm not even gonna say it. Sometimes you just gotta push until you can't. So, but yeah, feeling pretty exhausted, and we're ready to get after it on this Thanksgiving day. So yeah, we're gonna tackle the Traeger. We're gonna head back. Right now we're headed back home. We got about 20 more minutes left for the ribs on the Traeger. Right now it's currently cooking at 180 degrees for about 3 hours it's been on. And then with the 3-2-1 method, I'm gonna cook it for 2 more hours and then 1 more hour. So total together, it takes about 6 hours. I mean, I seriously cannot wait till these things are freaking finished. So, yeah. All right, everybody. So we are out here 3 hours into cooking these 6 big, fat, juicy, long ribs for Thanksgiving. And so I'm going to show you guys the loving goodness right here. Here's a little meat update. It's kind of dark, not going to lie. But we're going to bring these in, wrap them up like a little Christmas present, add more ingredients to make all this loving goodness fall in love and just be happy together. Cook it for 2 more hours and then 1 more hour on top of that. So this is called the 3-2-1 method, and we're just gonna see where this takes us. So
Add some I use real honey from the bee.
yeah. And this was the final results of the NcRib's recipe of the centuries. And yeah, honestly turned out very well. The ribs were a hit. Looking forward to mastering this recipe. And here's a bunch of food that we prepped as well. So before we ate, we said a blessing, just saying what we're grateful for. And honestly, it was a very beautiful Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys had a beautiful and blessed day with you, your loved ones, and your family. And yeah, there's just a lot to be grateful for, especially in these times. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Love you guys, and cheers.